Hello everyone, my name is Luan Wenqi. My measure number is A2061103. The topic of my speech today is fill time is essential for effectively learning. Have you even been so confused? Obviously, you study hard every day, but your grades don't improve. On the contrary, the more you study, the more tired you get. The answer is that we ignore the power of fill time. My position is very clear. The lack of fill time is quickly destroying our learning efficiency, eroding our mental health, and hindering our overall development. Therefore, today I would like to loudly advocate to everyone that fill time is by no means an indispensable supplement, but a crucial component of effective learning. First of all, fill time can greatly improve the learning efficiency of the brain. Learning has never been purely the pursuit of quantity. It is better to learn more than learn well. Absorption is the key. In 2025, its brand is the founder of neuroscience, such as Simon found that when we are distracted or resting, the brain doesn't not stop working, but is abnormally active. This study showed that fill time is the golden time for knowledge consolidation. Without it, our learning is like swimming, but it is impossible to build a complete and systematic knowledge system by repeatedly indoctrinating knowledge mechanically. Secondly, fill time can effectively relieve anxiety and maintain learning motivation. The more you learn, the more tired you are. The more you learn, the more afraid you are of learning. This is a true picture of many students. In 2023, a study by Somo and others showed that if students completely lose control of learning rhythm in the learning process, they will develop strong anxiety and their learning motivation will be greatly reduced. In 2024, Frontiers in Psychology Biosis research results show that just a 20-minute break can significantly improve our concentration, make our emotion more stable, and participate in interaction more actively in class. Fill time is by no means a waste of lives. It is an important guarantee for us to prevent learning burnout and emotion breakdown. It is source of physiological energy that supports us to continue to move forward on the road of learning. Besides, fill time is a frontal growth cultivated or solving power and comprehensive ability. For example, creativity, communication ability, and independent learning ability. This key ability comes from our independent thinking, independent choice, broad exploration, and borrow in a study in 2024. Wall and Al found that in those classes that given students time autonomy, everyone creativity, social skill, and autonomy have been significantly improved. The Garden also reported in 2024 that a short word or a word can effectively improve the efficiency of our divergent thinking. This also shows that fill time can not only help us become students with excellent grades, but also help us grow into complete people to adapt to the future society. Of course, some people may argue learning to complete 2 seconds and fill time will only delay people, but it's rarely the case. In fact, the root case of procrastination lies in excessive fatigue, anxiety, and stress, not the fill time itself. Those truly effectively know how to rationally manage the learning rhythm instead of blindly find up the time. Full time does not make us loser and slack, but helps us recover our energy and start again in a better state. Finally, let's review today's speech. I put forward 3 key points to support my position. Full time can improve our cognitive, intellectual, and net knowledge truly rooted in our mind. It can regulate our emotion and avoid of our characters under the pressure of learning. It can also help us cultivate comprehensive ability so that we can not only cope with the current itself, but also face the challenge of the future calmly. Full time is not an excuse for losers to avoid it, but a strategy for excellent people to success. It is not just a small break from our schedule. It is the key to helping us learn better, remember longer, and grow stronger. Thank you, everyone.